So this is an interesting one. I saw a post recently on Reddit about integrating Replit, which is what this is. This is Replit Agent with Capacitor, which is what this is running over here. And for those of you who don't know, Replit Agent is it's an agent that you can use to build mobile applications. I've used it pretty extensively since March or April, and I built some pretty interesting things with it. The main thing that you should know is that it builds full stack app. Well, the way that I've utilized it is to build full stack applications with basically Node Express on the back end and usually React on the front end. It's what it seems to be comfortable doing. And so what I saw a question in Replit, sorry, not in Replit, in Reddit saying, can you take a Replit application and connect it to Capacitor? So I figured, hey, let me give it a try. And I have. So this is the application that I built with Replit. Anyone's interested, drop a comment. I'll send you the prompt that I sent that built this whole application. And then the trick is to then take the application and sync it with Git. So that what I did is I created a connection to a GitHub project called Replit Capacitor. And in this project, because I can't make the view bigger, in this project, I basically have everything that I need. And then what I did was I used Cursor. I probably could have done it in Replit. I just used Cursor just to get it done quickly. But what I did was I then used Cursor and I went through and made all the necessary changes to get the application to run with Capacitor. I generated this mobile setup doc so I could keep track of kind of what was going on as the system was making changes to get the application to work. I also put the requirement on, do not make any changes that will break the Replit build. Although we don't necessarily need the front end of Replit to continue, the front end app to continue to work since we're really focusing on mobile, I just felt it was safe to keep it that way so you can go back and forth, and also so you could test the application in the Replit environment before switching back over and running it into Capacitor. Speaking of testing, let me just kind of show you what it is. So let me sign out. I can sign in. So now I've signed into the application, and then there's data that I need to get, and the way it's working is we're persisting a JSON web token on the mobile application side, and then we're passing that JSON web token back when we want to access any data. So I can fetch protected data, and it lets me know that it's retrieving data. And then just a bunch of additional information that's being saved here, kind of explains how it works. We have JWT authentication. We have cores configured on our Express server so that everything works the way we want it to work. And kind of this is what we get. The cool benefit is that you can deploy these mobile applications while you continue to use Replit to build out your backend. And I'm just going to leave it there. Like I said, if you want to see more, let me know, and maybe I'll make a longer video.